You've got an intricate printing process in place, and it works well enough. But what you might not know is that it can be so much better. Your enterprise labeling system may have worked for a time, but a laundry list of issues that come with maintaining a two-step thermal transfer label printing process is far more trouble than it's worth. Especially when there's an on-demand color solution that can easily integrate with your current setup and quickly optimize your process. ID Partner Portal, together with Epson and 3M, offers a robust, turnkey, one-step solution for your durable color label printing needs. Epson's ColorWorks label printers are built to withstand high-volume production environments, on-demand projects, meeting your requirements for managing a fleet of printers over a wide area network in support of your mission-critical labeling. Best of all, our printer speaks ZPL too, so switching over from your old setup is a breeze, and upgrading is even easier. And because we're partnered with 3M, you can trust you'll have the most durable labels on the market. With ID Partner Portal, you'll get a complete solution that saves you time, money, and gives you the confidence you need to keep all of the lines running. ID Partner Portal. Contact us today to see how we can help.